In today's video, we will see how to convert your Base44 web app into a native app. You can see that I am inside Base44 and logged into my account. On the left-hand side, you will find the All Apps section. Click on it, and here you will see a list of all the apps you have created so far. Now, select the app that you want to convert into a mobile app. I will open one of my apps, and once it loads, go to the top right corner and click on Publish. Make sure your app is set to public so that it can be accessed easily. Then click on Publish App. You will see a message saying that your app is now live, along with a link. You can either open it in a new tab or simply copy the link directly from here. This link is very important because we will use it in the next step. Now open a new tab and search for something like Convert Web App to Mobile App. You will find multiple tools that can do this. In this video, I will be using App My Site because it allows you to create one app for free. You can choose any similar platform if you prefer, but this one works well for beginners. Once you open App My Site, click on Start for free. It will take you to the sign-up page. You can either sign up using Google or enter your email manually. After entering your email, you will receive an OTP for verification. Enter the OTP and complete the login process. Once you are inside, click on Get Started to create your first app. You will see different options like Web to App, Shopify app, WordPress app, and more. Since we are converting a web app, select Web to App. Now give your app a name. You can name it anything you want. For example, I will name mine Finance Flow. Next, paste the URL of your Base44 app that we copied earlier. After pasting it, click on Create App. Now you will be taken to the Customization section. Here, you can choose the color theme for your app. You will see several options, and you can also explore more themes if needed. Select the one you like and continue. Next, you will be asked to create or upload an app logo. You can design one from scratch using the built-in editor, which is similar to Canva, or simply upload an image. For this demonstration, I will upload a random image. Once uploaded, you can adjust it and then click on Done. After that, you will see the option to create a splash screen. If you want, you can customize it, but for now, I will skip this step. Moving forward, you will also get options to configure navigation elements like bottom menus and other settings. You can explore these if needed, but I will skip them for now to keep things simple. Now, if you want to preview your app, go to the left side and click on Preview. Here, you can test your app in different ways. You can either view it directly on virtual devices like Android and iOS, or you can test it on your real mobile device by scanning the QR code provided. This is a very useful feature because you can see exactly how your app will look and behave on an actual phone. As you can see, the app is loading, and you can interact with it just like a normal mobile app. All the functionalities from your web app will be available here. For example, in my case, I can navigate through sections, add data, and use all the features. Once you are satisfied with the preview, the next step is to download your app. Click on Download from the left-hand side. Here, you will see options to build both Android and iOS apps. However, the iOS option requires a paid plan. On the free plan, you can build and download the Android app. Click on Build App, then confirm the required settings like app identity and permissions. After that, click on Build App again. The platform will start generating your APK file, and this process may take around 15 to 20 minutes depending on your app. Once the build is complete, you can download the APK file. To publish your app on the Play Store, you can click on the Publish option. From here, you can choose platforms like Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or Samsung Galaxy Store. Since we're focusing on Android, select Google Play Store. This will redirect you to the Google Play console where you need to sign in with your account. From there, you can upload your APK file, complete the required details, and submit your app for review. Once Google reviews and approves your app, it will be available on the Play Store. So this is how you can convert your Base44 web app into a native mobile app. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a web app using Base44, then you can check out this video right here. If you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.